Justice and Correctional Services Minister Ronald Lamola has added his voice to the ongoing war of words between Parliament and Chief Justice Raymond Zondo.
The judge's comments regarding MP's lack of responsiveness to recommendations of the state capture report has sparked controversy. Lamola has told SABC News that by their nature, legal processes take a long time.
If you remember, was supposed to take, I think it's about 2 years or so. Or according to the former public protector, the recommendation was 6 months. How many years has the commission taken? About 4 years or so. And even in those years, the Chief Justice, who was the chairperson of the commission, requested lots of postponements, which at some stage ourselves were a bit reluctant, but we accepted because we understood the need to conclude the work of the commission. Hence, we supported that the commission's perpetual request of extensions should happen. But that is the reality of what happened. And the state in that period was also preparing itself as the report comes. I mean, that has proven that investigations and decisions to prosecute and also to make recommendations, for example, in some of the instances, there are laws that must be amended. National Treasury has already dealt with some of those laws. We have also dealt with some of the laws that must be amended. We are also in the process now, as we speak, to amend the NPA Amendment Act, the one I spoke about earlier, in terms of the ID. So amending laws is not an overnight thing. So we are indeed implementing the recommendations of the commission. And there is discussions, even in Parliament, they've got their own discussions, how they are going to ensure that they hold us account, and also themselves implementing the recommendations of the commission. If you remember, the president also submitted what we are going to do, how and when. And we are following through all those processes, including to give the additional resources to the relevant law enforcement agencies to ensure that they do their work. And unfortunately, we don't prosecute, investigate, but we can only give them the resources to do the job, which we have done.